Hello, dear students. Welcome to grammar class. Today, in this video lesson, we will be learning a new chapter that is chapter 10, past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. Okay, so we will be learning about the past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. In our previous explanatory video, we have done with simple past and the past continuous tense. So this is a continuation. Now this lesson you will find it in page number 79. Okay, so let us start. Read this sentence. Now I want all of you to pay attention to these sentences. She had gone to the market even before I reached her house. The postman had delivered the letter before I reached home. By the time I boarded the train, everyone had taken their seats. We had just finished our dinner when my uncle rang the bell. I had never seen him before today. Now, in all the sentences that I have just read, do you notice something? What is the thing that you notice? Well, in all the sentences, what you can see is this sentences talks about a past action before another action took place. Yes or no? Both the actions are gone, okay? They are gone actions, but both the actions before the before the ons- before another action took place, one action took one action was going one action just happened before another action took place, right? So here you can see past perfect tense. Now the formula of past perfect, the form, the structure, okay, we can call it the structure of the past perfect tense is had plus past participle. Simple. That's all you have to remember when you do with past perfect tense. You have to put the verb had plus the past participle, that is verb 3, okay? Now, when do we use past perfect tense? When is the time that we need to use past perfect tense? The past perfect takes place before another past action. So we use the past perfect when we want to talk about an action, a past action, okay, that took place before another past action. For example, I noticed that he had left his book behind. Here, I noticed. Notice is a past action, okay? Because it's ed, ced. Ed is there, so it's past tense. So I noticed. Now, before I noticed that he had left his books behind. Now, in this sentence, which action took place first? Can you tell me? The action of noticed took place first, or the action of leaving his books behind took place? Which one? First had the action of leaving his book, right? Because only after leaving his books, then only I noticed, right? So in this way, when you want to talk about one action before another action took place, okay? Past perfect tense, you can use past perfect to talk about actions that happened before a past event, which I explained to you already. Here are some more examples. My mother had cooked dinner earlier in the day. The team had practiced all day yesterday. Our friends had already gone to see that movie. I had not slept well all week. Now all these actions, all the sentences talks about actions that happened before a past event, before another action took place, okay? Now the three forms, how to form the three past perfect forms, okay? That is one, the positive, that is we have already even with past continuous and even with simple past we have done with positive sentence. Positive means affirmative, one is negative, and one is question form, okay, interrogative. So these are the examples. I would just read few, some of them. In the positive sentence, the formula. Remember the formula? Had plus past participle. Always remember, okay, when we do with past perfect, the formula is had plus past participle. So here, in the positive sentence, if this I had finished, then in the negative means I had not finished. And in the question form, had I finished? Okay, this is, and there a question mark. Always in the question form, a question mark will come. Number 2, you had finished. Negative, you had not finished. Had you finished? Number 3, we had finished. We had not finished. Had we finished? Okay. Number 4, they had finished. They had not finished. Had they finished? Okay, here also. Now, in this way, we can form the 3 forms, that is in positive, negative, and question form. I hope this is clear. Okay. Now, in the next video lesson, we will do with your past perfect continuous tense. Okay.